Good morning, people. Today we're gonna do a small mileage test of our Vento TSI, that is. So it's gonna be a small family trip with the family, around 200 kilometers, and that's our car, Vento, BH registered. So all excited is Tashi. Tashi is so she wants to drive the car. Cool. And my usual warming up the engine. So we'll reset the trip meter. And so the engine, as you see, is under 1000 rpm. So all good to go. Trip meter will reset it to 0. So everything is reset. So yeah, let's hit the road. So we have driven around 29 minutes, and mostly it is state highways with an average speed of 45 kilometers per hour, 21 kilometers on the trip, and the average mileage is coming around 18.9 kilometers. So we have driven around 54 kilometers, and the average mileage is 21.2 kilometers till now. So we have stopped here for lunch at Devanhalli. That's the STRR, and we stopped here at Pratunga, Andhra style. So एक sumptuous meal के बाद Pratunga में we'll head to Chikka Tirupati. It is around 50 kilometers from here, and if you can see, as you can see, we have done around 1 hour of drive, and 1 minute. Okay. .49 kmph का average speed, 54 kilometers, 20 liters still available. I mean to refill. 480 kilometers का range, 21 का average है अभी तक. So yeah, that's it. See you on the road. So we are on the Bangalore-Chennai expressway. Beautiful expressway starting from Hoskote, and we are cruising at a speeds of 100 kmph, as you can see on the speedometer. Beautiful highway, and still another 30 kilometers to Chikka Tirupati. So we have done 130 kilometers. 400 is the range. My average mileage is 20.4. Time taken is 2.5 hours. So we have reached Chikka Tirupati. We'll visit and we'll head back to home and check the overall mileage. ये है चिक्का तिरुपति. का दर्शन काफी. तो ये रहा चिक्का तिरुपति का मार्केट एरिया, और ये टेम्पल के आसपास का नज़ारा है. भीड़ कम थी आज, तो दर्शन जल्दी हो गए. So we're returning via Whitefield. As you can see, it is traffic here. having Odia chat in Whitefield area. This is a Odia hotel. और ये ख़त्म करके हम निकलते हैं घर के ओर. So we're heading back to our house. We have taken the STRR from Hoskote, and the views here in the evening, beautiful. So let's get back home and check the mileage. 19.8 is the best mileage. This is the end. हम पहुंच गए हैं हमारे पार्किंग एरिया में. आज का डिस्टेंस हमने कवर किया था 247 किलोमीटर्स, एंड ये रहा रेंज 260 का दिखा रहा है. ओवरऑल माइलेज इस ट्रिप का 19.6, जबकि हमने ऑन एन एवरेज 18.9 किलोमीटर्स का एवरेज दिया है. 600 किलोमीटर जो आप देख रहे हैं नीचे ट्रिप का, उसका माइलेज है. सो या, so what do you think of the mileage of Vento? It has given around 20 kmpl in mixed conditions. हमने सिटी के अंदर भी चलाया है, वाइटफील्ड के ट्रैफिक में भी चलाया है, हाईवेज में मोस्टली चलाया है, बट जहाँ पे जाम भी हुआ था वहाँ भी हमने चलाया है. तो ओवरऑल अच्छा एवरेज है विथ 3 अडल्ट एंड 1 किड, नो लगेज. तो 20 का माइलेज दिया है हमारे 1 लीटर TSI पेट्रोल ने. What do you think of the mileage? कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना. थैंक यू.